Still using basic Shopify discounts and feeling limited? What if you could create smart discounts like 20% off on the most expensive item or automatic free shipping based on the cart value? In this video, I will show you how to build custom Shopify discount functions step by step using the Shopify functions. We are not just clicking the settings, we are actually coding the backend logic that gives you full control over how to discount work in your store. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create your own discount function, use GraphQL to control the cart data, apply advanced discount logic, and deploy it on the live of your Shopify store. So if you want to level up your Shopify development skills, this video is for you. So let's get started. Right now I am the Shopify documentation page, build a discount function. And for the requirement of this function to create a partner account, you must have a Shopify partner account and then a dev store, and then we need to create the app, and you must have Node.js installed in your machine. So after the end of this video, we will have a discount something like this: 20% off discount of the most expensive line item, and then we have 10% off on the order value and the free delivery. These three kind of discounts we will have. So let's install the app first in our local machine. For this, I have opened the Visual Studio Code and the terminal. In the terminal, I will type Shopify app init to install the Shopify app in my local machine. It will ask me to build a React Router app or build an extension only. I will select build a React Router app. For your React Router, which language do you want to use? I will use JavaScript. And next question is to select the organization. In my case, I will select this organization and then create a new app. Yes, create a new app and name of your app. So you can see discount functions, and you can name it tutorial discount functions discount function tutorial, and I will hit enter. So it will take some time to install the app. Meanwhile, I pause the video. Okay, now the app is installed. Next thing, we need to go that specific directory by typing cd discount function tutorial, and now we are in the app directory. If I go back to the instruction, we need cd directory and then Shopify app generate extension. Let's copy this command to generate the discount function. What it will do, it will generate the extension with this template discount, and the name of that folder will be discount-function.js. So let's run this command, and it is going to generate the Shopify extension. So it is asking us to select the language. We will select the JavaScript. Okay, now your extension was created in the extension discount function. Okay, so let's open this folder and discount function, select folder, and now open the terminal, and you will see we have an extension folder where we have the discount function.js, and in the source file we have the cart line item, cart line discount generate run, where the GraphQL query is written, and here is the Shopify discount function logic is written. So let's go back over here and it now review the discount function configuration. It is telling us how the Shopify.extension.toml is looks like. So first we have the meta of the extension. If I open this file over here, Shopify.extension.toml, so this is the meta part where we have the name of the app, handle of the function, type, and the ID of the function, and the description of that specific function. So it is telling us, and the next part is the target where this function will be applied. So it will be applied on the cart line item discount. Run this file, and the input query is coming from this file, and then it will export the function in this file. So after that we have the extension target. These are the files over here, and finally we have the path discount that slash function dot vsm. So this is the configuration file of the function. The next thing, we are going to review the queries. So let's move over there and review the query. This is the card input where we will fetch the card line ID and the cost of that card line, subtotal amount, and the amount. Then we have the discount classes, and similarly we will have this discount function, card line discount function, where the logic is written 10% off on the order and 20% off on the expensive line item. And then we have the free delivery for the shipping. So let's run this app by typing Shopify app dev. So I will type Shopify app dev. Once I run this command, it will ask me to select the store where I would like to see the discount. So I will select Wixo checkout, this store, and hit enter, and then it will start running this discount function on my store. So it is preparing the dev preview. Okay, now we are ready to test this function. So let's press the P, and it will open the app in the browser, where we will install this app in our store. It is already installed for the testing. So let's minimize this. After some time, it will start showing the app over here. If it doesn't open, press the P once again. And now we have our app running. Okay, you can see the app over here. Now go back to the documentation again. After that, open the GraphQL query for the Shopify admin, and we need to run the query to create the discount function. So let's copy this query and go back over here and press G to open the GraphQL in the browser, where we can run the GraphQL query to create the discount function. So if I duplicate this window, and if we go to the discounts, you can see we don't have any discount. And if I go to the store and try to buy something, then I don't have any discount yet, but after uh, enabling the function we will get the discount. So okay, so if I add this product into the cart, let's try to add this product into the cart. Right now we don't have any discounts, so let's try to add another one into the cart. For example, this one. And now if I go to the checkout, we don't have any discount. So let's enable the function. So let's copy and paste the discount function here. The mutation over here, what it will does, it will enable the discount function. So we need the function handle. We can copy this function handle from here. This is our function handle, and replace that over here. And this is the title of the discount: cart line, order and shipping discount. So we can say I will write my name as there, so we will see this discount is enabled. So let's run this query. Access is denied for the discount because we don't have right scope. So let's create the scope. Go back to the shopify.app.toml, and over here we need to define the scopes. So this is our scope. These are the scopes: right meta object, right products, and we need to define the right discounts. Save that and close the app once and run Shopify app deploy. It will deploy the configuration again. In the it is asking us to release a new version and deploy the configuration in the app. So now it is deploying the new configuration. Now run the Shopify app dev once again, and then we have to see the preview again, and then we will be able to run the mutation for the discount. It is preparing the dev for us. Okay, now press P again. Let's close the other ones. Let's close this one also and press the P again. Let's run this one more time. Okay, so let's press P again to open the preview. Now our app is opened. Now press G again to run the GraphQL mutation. Okay, now try to run this, execute this query, and this time our function is discount function is created. if I reload the page, you will see a new discount over here. You can see cart line, order, shipping discount, and my name over there. So now if I reload the page, you will see we will have the discount function. Okay, you can see we have 20% discount on the one of the cart line items, and then we have 10% off on the order and the free delivery discount. So you can change these messages. 20% off discount, you can change that from here. Go to the cart line, and this is the 10%. The message is 10%. You can say something 10% off on the entire order, and if you save that, this will reflect over here. After this, 10% off on the entire order. Okay, so you can give the 10% discount, 20% discount, whatever the discount percentage value, you can change that from here. And similarly, you can change the 20% discount from here. For the product discount, you can change the message, you can change the discount percentage from here. So this is how you can make the Shopify discount function on the line item, order value, and the shipping discount. I hope this video makes sense to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.